Good morning, boys and girls, and I'm back in school again today. And it is Monday today. It is Monday, the 1st of February. So we are into a new month, and February is a special month because it's shorter than all the other months. It has 28 days. Usually has 28 days. In a leap year, it has an extra day. It has 29. But this year, it has 28 days. And this is the 1st of February. Now, I'm going to ask you to do something new this week, boys and girls, and really from now on, I am going to ask you every morning to write the date. So this is today's date, Monday, the 1st of February, and it's quite a tricky spelling, February, because we don't really pronounce that R very well. February 2021. So every morning before you start any of your work, if you have some lined paper, it would be best, try to write your date every morning. So today you will be writing, as I said, Monday, the 1st of February, 2021. And today is also a special day because the 1st of February is St. Bridget's Day. And St. Bridget is one of the patron saints of Ireland. She is known as the second patron saint of Ireland. And of course, we know that the first one is St. Patrick, who our cathedral in Armagh is named after. And St. Bridget is the lady who made the St. Bridget's crosses out of rushes. And if we were in school, we would continue to do that ourselves. But if you're at home, and if you have any rushes nearby, you could maybe try to make a cross yourself, or even draw a little St. Bridget's cross. And also, I'm going to send you a little video link today, just telling you a little bit about St. Bridget on this special day. But first we have to get on with some work, don't we? So let's get started. So we're on week 4, as you can see, so just make sure you have the right page in front of you. And it starts today, the 1st of February, and goes until Friday, the 5th of February. Let's look at our words. Now, it's Monday, so we're going to sound them out and then say them. H-a-t, hot. B-e-g, big. B-ed, bed. M-a-g, mug. K-a-t, cat. B-ug, bug. L-egg, leg. So we have hot, big, bed, mug, cat, bug, and leg. And do we know what all of those words mean? Well, hot means that you're very warm. If something's big, it's very large, it's not small. Bed is where we sleep. Mug is a type of big cup. I often prefer a mug instead of a cup when I'm having my tea. A cat. You know what a little cat is? Does anyone have a cat at home? Meow. A bug. A bug is a little creepy crawly, isn't it? And a leg, well, we know what a leg is, don't we? Okay. So our booklets this week will be our Tricky Words Phase 3 booklet. I've written week 2 at the start. I suppose I really should have written week 4, but it's the second week of this particular pack of work. So we've got this for literacy and this booklet as well. The dates are all there to help you, keep you on track. And then our number booklet as well. So let's start with our Pirates Phase 3 Tricky Words. So we have quite a few tricky words this week in our second Tricky Words booklet. So I'm going to read through them here. Now don't worry about the coloured letters for a minute. Those are the colours that you're going to colour your words shortly. But we'll just read through the words first. He, she, we, me, be, you, are, her, see it there, that one's not underlined, her, was, all, they, you really have to stick your tongue out through your teeth to say that one, they, they, and my. Now you will see that some of the words are underlined with a straight line and some of them are underlined with a wobbly line. Now the words that have a straight line under them, they appeared in our first Tricky Words video that we watched last week. And it would be worth watching it again just to see those 3 words. They appear towards the end of the video. Do you remember them? And then she, and then we. Now this week I am going to send you a link to our next Tricky Words video. It's Tricky Words Phase 3 on YouTube. Now this song covers almost all of the words that we are learning this week, all of the remaining words. You'll see they have a little wobbly line under them. Now the only one that doesn't appear in the video is her. So you'll have to practice that one yourself. The word her. Her house, her friends, her pencil. So this week's video looks like this. It starts out blue. And it has the same tune as last week. And it goes through all of our words, as I say, apart from her. So try to watch that video every day just to get those words into your head. All right? Now the other song that I'm going to send you a link to is called Blend the Sounds. It's a blending song when we join our sounds together to make words. Now this will be very useful for you and I would recommend that you watch it every day, once every day, just practicing blending your sounds together to make words. So let's just take a quick look at it here.
Let's learn the sounds, let's say the sounds, blend the sounds and say the word. Let's learn to read, let's learn to write. It's easy to learn. Out, out, but out.
And so it goes through lots of 3-letter words. And you have to try to blend the sounds together to make the word. And as you go through the week, you'll probably get faster and quicker at this as well. So try to watch it once a day, all of this week. All right? So today for your Tricky Words activity, you have to colour in all your different words, different colours. And the colours are there for you. He, you colour in red. She is blue. We, yellow. Me, green, B, orange, you, black, R, purple, her, pink, was, brown, all, grey, they, dark green, and my, dark blue. I hope you have enough colours. It's asking you for quite a lot of colours, isn't it, boys and girls? But just try your best with the closest colour you have to the colour they're asking for, all right? Today for our literacy, we are unjumbling sentences again. Now, last week, as you know, we cut out the words and we put them in order, but today we have to write them, or try our best to write our sentences. Now, each sentence has 4 words, and you'll know then that the first word of the sentence is the one with the capital letter, and you'll know the last word of the sentence is the one that ends with a full stop. Okay, so that should help you to order your sentences, all right? Now, if a grown-up at home, like mummy or daddy, feels that that is too much writing for you, they could ask you to unjumble the sentence and then they can write it for you, all right? It's up to you. But I know a lot of you are fantastic writers, so try your very best. Let's look at the first one. We'll see a lady here washing a car, and it says car, full stop, so that must be the last word in the sentence. Car, the, Jen, washed. Next one then, you can see someone hanging up clothes on a line to dry, and the words are up the hang clothes. Third one then, you see someone swimming, and the words are swim, pool, the in. Oh, this boy's enjoying some lovely pizza, and it says food at his Sam. So we're trying to unjumble them sentences, or those sentences I should say, writing them correctly, and remember that the word that begins with the capital letter, it will be your first word, and the word that has a full stop at the end of it will be your last word. So try your best to unjumble the sentences. Today for our maths we are adding, and in fact we will be adding all week, starting with smaller numbers and then moving on to slightly bigger ones. So let's look at our adding for today. Now for each question you have a number line to help you. Okay, so you're going to be jumping along the number line, just like in the example here, to find your answer. All right? So question 1 says 5 plus 3 equals. So the first thing we do is we find 5 on the number line, and we're going to have to do how many jumps? 3 jumps. So 5 on our number line, here it is, and let's start jumping. 1, 2, 3. Where did we arrive? Number 8. We put 8 in the box. So for each question, you find the number on the number line and you add the other number. You jump. Now, when we get down to the bottom, you will see there are questions like 3 add 9 and 2 add 10. Now that's a lot of jumping, isn't it? 9 jumps and 10 jumps. Is there another way we could add these instead of 3 plus 9 jumps? Well, what we could do is say 3 plus 9 is the same as 9 plus 3. So let's find 9 on the number line, and then we'll only have to do 3 jumps. So here's 9, and we do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. And we arrive at 12. Okay, so that's a little tip for you. Put the bigger number on the number line first, and then do the jumps with the other number. It'll just make it easier for you. So I know this is a very long video today, boys and girls. It's just because it's Monday morning and we have a lot to get through. Please also remember to try to read this week and take at least one accelerated reading quiz. Now you should have received in your messages some books for this week to read. I have given you books already. I sent you a message last week with books, but I might send you just a few more just in case you need them, all right? So happy St. Bridget's Day to you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.